Hey friends, come with me while we make a really quick and easy Christmas candy DIY with Dollar Tree items. Take 2 of the bowls and 1 roll of cellophane and some Scotch tape. What we're going to do is stack one bowl on top of another. We're going to use the tape to stick them together. No hot glue required on this project, which makes it easy for anyone to do. Now I probably could have gotten away with using 2 pieces, but I went ahead and put 4. 2 would have been fine. There you have it. Now we're going to take the cellophane, and I found that 1 roll of cellophane is enough to do 2 of these large candies. And for $1.25, that's not too bad. So we can go ahead and get it rolled out. Let's move this one over here and get it out of my way. Here we go. We're going to roll it out. And I don't measure this part, I just eyeball. Yeah, it looks about right. Well, let's cut it off. I need a new pair of scissors. There we go. All right, so I'm going to stand this part on its end, pull up the cellophane, and attach it with a piece of tape. Pull up the other end, and do the same thing with another piece of tape. Now these candies are going to be in my tree, my Christmas tree, with the lights behind them, so I'm not really concerned with anybody messing with them. So there you go. We're going to twist off the ends and take a chenille stem. Just wrap it around and twist it like a bread tie. Now I will come in afterwards and add some pretty ribbon on the ends of these and cover up those chenille stems just to give it a little more flair for the tree. Here's the last one. Now these bowls come in this aqua color, a royal blue, purple, pink, and a clear, and they're just all so pretty. The lights shine right through them and just make the tree just pop with color. There you have it. There's one. Pretty big. I did the second one. And I also did a couple in pink. Now, here's what they look like on the tree. There's a blue one. There's the other one. There's the pink one. And this is what they look like in the tree. There's the pink. There's another one right here. And there you have it, folks. A big project with very little cost. Enjoy!